Vidya, let's practice a few more problems based on alligation tool. In a zoo, there are rabbits and pigeons. If heads are counted, they are 200. And if legs are counted, they are 580. So how many pigeons are there?
Let me solve it, Baba. Let the number of rabbits be R and number of pigeons be P, as the total number of heads is 200. Therefore, R plus P is equal to 200. And if legs are counted, they are 580. Therefore, 4R plus 2P is equal to 580, as a rabbit has 4 legs and a pigeon has 2.
Yes, of course. I know you can do this by linear equation. But do you want to see an interesting approach to this question using alligation tool?
Of course, Baba. Why not?
Before we start, the usual point is that the alligation tool is used in those cases where relative values are given. Well, in this question, relative values are not given. Thus, our first objective would be to create the relative values with the help of given information. Here, it is given that there are 200 heads and 580 legs in all. As an animal has only one head, we can safely presume that there are 200 of animals in the zoo. It means number of rabbits plus number of pigeons equals to 200. Further, number of legs is 580. X bar is the average, that is, number of legs per animal, that is, 580 by 200, or simply 2 by 9. Moreover, as a rabbit has 4 legs and a pigeon has 2 legs, we can put these values in the diagram as Q1 equal to 4, Q2 equal to 2, and weighted mean is 2.9. And further, computing the cross difference, that is 2.9 minus 2, which is equal to 0.9, and 4 minus 2.9, which is equal to 1.1, we get 9:11. Vidya, carefully note the point. Here, quantity 1 is 4, that is 4 legs per rabbit. Then quantity 2 is 2, that depict 2 legs per pigeon. Also, weighted mean is 2.9, that is 2.9 legs per animal. And in alligation tool, weight is the figure or substance that is preceded by PER, or more precisely, the figure or substance that come after PER.
Okay, I got it. Here, as they are legs per rabbit, legs per pigeon, so through ratio of weights, I'll obtain the ratio of number of rabbits and pigeons, that is equal to 9:11.
Right. Therefore, total number of pigeons is 11 by 20 into 200, that is 110, and the remaining creatures are rabbits.
Amazing stuff. I have understood that the average number of legs per animal is coming out to be 2.9. And if a 4-legged animal and 2-legged animal are combined, the arithmetic mean should have been 3. Well, in the case when the arithmetic mean is 3, the two types of animals are equal in number, and the rest is fairly easy to get.